Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.com.
Hello students, now we are discussing three-dimensional geometry. Okay, next concept in three-dimensional geometry is a plane. Okay, now first of all, what is a plane? We'll discuss with an example. Now this board is a plane. This board is a plane, wall is a plane. Okay, now base is a plane, roof is a plane. Okay, of a room, if you consider a room, okay, base is a plane, roof is a plane. Now what is basic definition of plane? Okay, my plane is a surface. Plane is a surface such that if any 2 points are taken on it. Okay, now if I choose A and B, 2 points here. Now the line segment joining these 2 points, completely lies on this plane. Okay, what plane it is? This is a board. Okay, this surface. Okay, now once again I will repeat. A plane is a surface such that any 2 points are taken on it. Any 2 points are taken on it. Then the line segment joining those 2 points completely lies on the surface. Now if you take 1 point here, okay, 1 point here, okay, the line segment joining those 2 points completely lies on the plane. Okay, now if you consider this vertical line, suppose this is a point here and this is a point here. Okay, the line segment joining these 2 points completely lies on the surface. Okay, now suppose if I take 1 point on this board and 1 point somewhere on the another wall. Okay, another wall. Okay, then the line segment joining those 2 points completely does not lie on the surface, no? Okay, now what is a plane is? Plane is a surface such that any 2 points are taken on it. The line segment joining them completely lies on the surface. Now if you take any point here and here, the line segment joining those 2 points completely lies on the surface. Okay, also every point on the line segment joining those 2 points, okay, every point on the line segment those 2 points, okay, lies on the plane. Okay, in other words, every point on the line segment joining any 2 points on the plane lies on the plane. Now these 2 points, okay, now this is a line segment joining these 2 points lies on the plane. Now every point on this line segment completely lies on the plane. Okay, basic definition is plane is a surface such that any 2 points taken on it, the line segment joining those 2 points completely lies on the surface. Okay, this is the definition. Now to determine plane uniquely, we need any one of these conditions. A plane is determined uniquely if any one of the following is known. Okay, one is normal to the plane and its distance from origin is given. Now here also we need 2 conditions. One thing is you have to know what is the normal to the plane. Okay, direction of the plane determined by its normal. Direction of the plane is determined by its normal. Okay, suppose this is the surface. If you put a scale something like this outside, okay, normal to the plane. Okay, direction of the plane is determined by its normal. You have to know normal to the plane, and you know distance from origin to the plane is given. Okay, if you know normal to the plane and distance from origin to the plane is given. Okay, this form is called equation of plane in normal form. Equation of plane in normal form. Okay, now one method is, if you know normal to the plane and distance from origin to the plane, you know normal to the plane and its distance from origin to the plane. Okay, this method is called equation of plane in normal form. Equation of plane in normal form. Okay, and second method, a point on the plane is given and perpendicular to the given direction, means it is passes through a given point, passes through a point. Okay, it is passes through a point, means point on the plane is known and is perpendicular to given direction, means perpendicular to the plane is known, that is normal. Okay, so two conditions required, ma. First thing, one thing is you have to know normal to the plane, normal to the plane, and if you know one point on the plane, we can find equation of plane uniquely. This is second method. What is first method, ma? Normal to the plane is known and distance from origin to the plane is known, that is called normal form. What is second form? Second method, a point on the plane is known and perpendicular to the given plane, means normal to the plane is known. 2. Okay, third one, it passes through three given non-collinear points. If you know three non-collinear points, okay, if three non-collinear points are given, then passing through those three non-collinear points, we can find equation of a plane. Okay, three methods, ma. One is normal to the plane is known and distance from origin to the plane is given, normal form, and it is, if it is passes through a point and is perpendicular to given direction, means a point on the plane is given and normal to the plane is given. 2. Third one, if it passes through three given non-collinear points, means three non-collinear points given, then we can find equation of plane uniquely. Okay, now first one, equation of plane in normal form. Equation of plane in normal form. Equation of plane in normal form. Okay, but this plane equation we have to find, but this plane equation we have to find, but this is a three-dimensional figures that we cannot represent on a two-dimensional board. Okay, now this is x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Now this are normal, this is the plane. Okay, this plane equation we have to find. What is given is distance from origin to the plane is given. Distance from origin to the plane is given. Okay, consider a plane whose perpendicular distance from origin is d, means ON is a perpendicular distance from origin to the plane, ma, that is given as d. ON is equal to d. Okay, distance from origin to the plane is given. Okay, perpendicular distance from origin to the plane is given. Okay, ON is equal to d. Here d is non-zero. D is non-zero. Okay, ON is d, ma. Now ON bar is what? ON bar is normal from origin to the plane. ON is distance from origin to the plane. ON is d. ON is d. ON bar. ON bar is what? Now ON bar is normal from origin to the plane. So normal of the plane is known, ON bar. Okay. Now ON bar is how much? ON is d. ON bar is dn cap. ON bar is dn cap. ON bar is dn cap, where n cap is unit normal vector along ON bar. Okay, like we have unit vector along x-axis what? I cap, unit vector along y-axis is j cap, and unit vector along z-axis is k cap. Similarly, unit vector along ON bar is n cap. So ON bar is how much? Now magnitude and direction. Magnitude is d. ON magnitude is how much? ON length is how much? D. Now ON bar is how much? ON bar is d n cap. ON bar is d n cap. ON bar is d n cap. Okay. Now ON is a distance from perpendicular distance from origin to the plane, that is d. ON is d non-zero. Okay. ON bar is normal from origin to the plane. Okay. ON bar is normal from origin to the plane. Then ON bar is equal to how much? d n cap, where n cap is unit normal vector along ON bar. Okay. Now we can consider one arbitrary point on the plane. Okay, arbitrary point, let p x comma y comma z be any arbitrary point on the plane. Now if we join O and P, O and P, now OP bar is R bar, OP bar is R bar, OP bar is R bar. Now if you observe here, NP bar and ON bar are perpendicular to each other. Okay, P be any point on the plane, P be any point on the plane, arbitrary point. Okay. Now NP bar is perpendicular to ON bar. NP bar is perpendicular to ON bar. Now this vector and this vector are perpendicular to each other, means two vectors are perpendicular to each other, means dot product between them is 0. So what we can write? NP bar dot product with ON bar is equal to 0 bar. NP bar dot product with ON bar is 0. Now ON bar is how much? ON bar is dn cap. ON bar is dn cap. Now what is NP bar? What is NP bar? Now if you observe here triangle ONP, by triangle of vector addition, what we can write? ON bar plus NP bar is OP bar. ON bar plus NP bar is OP bar. Okay, where OP bar what we consider? R bar. No? P is a point xyz, OP bar is position vector of P, OP bar is xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, that is R bar. OP bar is R bar. Okay. Now NP bar what we can write? OP bar minus ON bar. NP bar is OP bar minus ON bar. NP bar is equal to OP bar. R bar minus ON bar is how much? dn cap. So NP bar is R bar minus dn cap. Okay. NP bar is R bar minus dn cap. So NP bar is R bar minus dn cap, dot product with ON bar. ON bar is a dn cap. So R bar minus dn cap, dot product with dn cap is equal to 0. Now here d is what? Some number, positive number. So as it is non-zero, you can take d common, d into this whole part is equal to 0, d is non-zero, so this part is 0. So R bar minus dn cap dot product with n cap is equal to 0. Okay, R bar minus dn cap dot product with n cap is equal to 0. Now take dot product, so what we get? R bar dot n cap minus dn cap dot n cap is equal to 0. Now n cap dot n cap, A bar dot A bar is what? A bar dot A bar is mod A square. So n cap dot n cap is mod n square. As n cap is a unit vector, modulus of n cap is 1. So what we have? R bar dot n cap minus d is equal to 0. That we can write it as R bar dot n cap is equal to d. R bar dot n cap is equal to d. Okay, R bar dot n cap is equal to d. But this is vector equation of plane. Vector equation of plane in normal form. Vector equation of plane in normal form. R bar dot n cap is equal to d. R bar dot n cap is equal to d. Now here n cap is unit normal vector. Unit normal vector. D is distance from origin to the plane. R bar dot n cap is equal to d. N cap is unit normal vector. D is distance from origin to the plane. Okay. Now corresponding Cartesian equation will write corresponding Cartesian equation. Okay, Cartesian form. Now what we consider? P x y z be any arbitrary point on the plane. No. So position vector of point P, OP bar, what we can write? OP bar is R bar that is xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. OP bar is r bar, that is xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Now r bar is xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, and n cap is what? N cap is a unit normal vector, okay, unit normal to the plane. N cap is a unit normal vector to the plane. Now unit vector, how will write ma? Li cap plus mj cap plus nk cap, where L, M, N are direction cosines of n cap, okay. So n cap is equal to Li cap plus mj cap plus nk cap, okay. N cap is unit normal to the plane. Let L, M, N be the direction cosines of n cap, then n cap is Li cap plus mj cap plus nk cap, okay. Now by substituting these two in equation 2, so what we get? R bar dot n cap equal to D, R bar xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, dot product with Li cap plus mj cap plus nk cap is equal to D. So if you take dot product, what we get? Lx plus my plus nz is equal to D. Lx plus my plus nz is equal to D. This is Cartesian equation of plane in normal form. This is Cartesian equation of plane in normal form. Okay, this is Cartesian equation of plane in normal form. Okay, r bar dot n cap equal to D is vector equation of plane in normal form. Lx plus my plus nz is equal to D is Cartesian equation of plane in normal form. Okay. Now if you observe equation 3, Lx plus my plus nz is equal to D, I'll write like this. This shows that r bar dot a cap plus bj cap plus ck cap is equal to D is the vector equation of plane. Then ax plus by plus cz is equal to D is the Cartesian equation of the plane, where a, b, c are direction ratios of normal to the plane. My normal is given as, I am not telling unit normal vector ma, normal. Okay, normal to the plane is a cap plus bj cap plus ck cap. Then equation of a plane in normal form, what we can write is r bar dot a cap plus bj cap plus ck cap equal to D. Okay, where a, b, c are direction ratios of normal, direction ratios of normal to the plane. Okay, corresponding Cartesian form will be, because r bar what we can write xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. If you take dot product, what we get? Ax plus by plus cz is equal to D. Okay, this is corresponding Cartesian equation of the plane. Okay, now we will discuss some example problems on this concept. Okay, now example 13, find vector equation of plane. We have to find vector equation of plane which is at a distance of 6 upon root 29 from origin. So what is given here? Distance from origin to the plane, that is given as 6 upon root 29, means D is given as 6 upon root 29. Okay, and its normal vector from origin to the plane, and its normal vector from origin is 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. One normal vector given, it is not unit normal vector. Okay, normal vector to the plane given. We have to find vector equation of plane. Also we have to find Cartesian form also. We have to find both vector form as well as Cartesian form. Okay, but when distance from origin to the plane given and unit normal vector given, then equation of plane in vector form is r bar dot n cap equal to D. R bar dot n cap is equal to D. Now here n bar given, normal given, not unit normal vector. So I'll find unit normal vector. Let n bar is equal to 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. When vector is given, how we can find unit vector? Unit vector is simply divide vector by its magnitude. Okay, so n bar given, so n cap is equal to n bar by magnitude of n bar. Okay, so what will write? n bar numerator 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap upon square root of its magnitude. Magnitude is square root of 2 square 4 plus minus 3 square 9 plus 4 square 16. Total how much? Root 29. Okay, denominator root 29, numerator is 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. So Unit normal vector is what? Unit normal vector is 2 by root 29 I cap minus 3 by root 29 j cap plus 4 by root 29 k cap. So vector equation of plane is what? R bar dot n cap is equal to d. D is how much given? D is given as 6 upon root 29 and n cap is this one. So by substituting here we get vector equation of plane is R bar dot 2 by root 29 I cap minus 3 by root 29 j cap plus 4 by root 29 k cap is equal to 6 by root 29. Okay, so vector equation of plane is R bar dot n cap is equal to d. Okay, n cap is 2 by root 29 I cap minus 3 by root 29 j cap plus 4 by root 29 k cap. D is how much? Distance from origin to the plane is 6 by root 29. Okay, but this is a vector form. Now corresponding Cartesian form, what we can take? R bar is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Okay, let R bar is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Then so if you substitute R bar in place of R bar xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, dot product with 2 by root 29 I cap minus 3 by root 29 j cap plus 4 by root 29 k cap is equal to 6 by root 29. So what we get? 2x by root 29 minus 3y by root 29 plus 4z by root 29 is equal to 6 by root 29. Both sides root 29 cancel. So we will get equation of plane in Cartesian form as 2x minus 3y plus 4z is equal to 6. 2x minus 3y plus 4z is equal to 6. Okay, now one more thing I want to tell you. Now linear equation in two variables ax plus by is equal to ce. Okay, a linear equation in two variables represent equation of line, and a linear equation in three variable ax plus by plus cz is equal to d represent equation of plane. Okay, linear equation in three variable xyz represent equation of plane. Okay, next question ma? Example 14, find the direction cosines of unit vector perpendicular to the plane. Find the direction cosines of unit vector perpendicular to the plane. R bar dot 6i cap minus 3j cap minus 2k cap plus 1 is equal to 0 passing through origin. Okay, what we have to find ma? We have to find direction cosines of unit normal vector. Okay, unit normal vector to this plane. Okay, passing through origin. Equation of plane passing through origin. Okay, when you know distance from origin to the plane and unit normal vector, equation of plane is R bar dot n cap is equal to d. Okay, now first of all, what is given plane? Well, write given plane, what we can write? R bar dot 6i cap minus 3j cap minus 2k cap is equal to minus 1. But right hand side is what? Distance, no? Distance has to be positive. So what I will do is that minus I will multiply both sides. So I will rewrite this equation like this. R bar dot and 1 comes to this side minus 1, multiply with minus on both sides. So right hand side it will be 1 and left hand side it will be R bar dot minus 6i cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap. So R bar dot minus 6i cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap is equal to 1. Okay, now this is the equation of plane. Now n cap is what? N bar by magnitude of n bar. Okay, n cap is n bar by magnitude of n bar, no? But this is a normal vector, ma? Unit normal vector means this we have to divide by its magnitude. So magnitude of this vector, that is magnitude of 6i cap minus 6i cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap is equal to square root of minus 6 square 36 plus 3 square 9 plus 2 square 4. Okay, root 49, square root of 49 is how much? 7. Okay, this is magnitude of the vector. So dividing this 1 by 7 on both sides, dividing equation 1 by 7 on both sides. So what we get? R bar dot minus 6 by 7 I cap plus 3 by 7 j cap plus 2 by 7 k cap is equal to 1 by 7. But this is standard form of R bar dot n cap equal to d. okay, which is the equation of plane r bar dot n cap is equal to d. So n cap is how much? N cap is minus 6 by 7 I cap plus 3 by 7 j cap plus 2 by 7 k cap, and distance is how much? 1 by 7. 1 by 7. So unit normal vector is what? N cap is equal to minus 6 by 7 I cap plus 3 by 7 j cap plus 2 by 7 k cap. Okay, this is the unit vector perpendicular to the plane passing through origin. Okay, now this is unit vector perpendicular to the plane. Now n cap is of the form li cap plus mj cap plus nk cap. No, so lmn are direction cosines. Okay, hence the direction cosines of n cap are minus 6 by 7, 3 by 7 and 2 by 7. Okay, hence direction cosines of n cap are minus 6 by 7, 3 by 7 and 2 by 7. Okay, I will conclude up to here. We will continue remaining problems in next class. Thank you.